at this. It's December 20th. If I had a bike that was ready for the road, I'd be gone. It's 6 degrees Celsius today. Damn. Oh well. We'll work on it instead. Alright, so just a little update on the Scout. Got it torn back a little bit. The pipes all off. Shields are all off. Seats off. Fender's about to come off. The tank's about to come off. And let's see, we got the headlights out. I'm going to do a little work around that headlight bezel. Not sure about the front fender yet, what we're going to do there. We are going to make a change there as well. We did the bars last year, so the bars are cool. Did the front shield, that's cool. Maybe something around the Speedo too. Maybe something there. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. But definitely a few things going to happen. That emblem's going to come off. And the shrouds are off. Pipes are up, as I said earlier. Now, just for those of you who have a Scout and maybe have never taken it off or wondered what your subframe looked like, this one's ready to come off, so let me show you. It's a little dirty, but we'll clean it all up. And we might even cut that back a little bit. So that's your subframe, your fender. Pretty easy, 4 bolts and out she comes. So those pipes are history. And give me a second here and I'll pop on the other pipe and I'll give you an idea of what it's going to look like. Not exactly sure if this is what I'm going to go with or not, but and of course the shrouds would be different, the shields, whatever you want to call them. Yeah. Let me know what you think. Of course there'll be 2 of them. But yeah, let me know what you think. I like them. They sound really good. They're not super loud, which I like. They're tunable, which is nice. You can tune them with the plates in the back there, and you can add or subtract plates. Anyway, and of course that seat's going to be gone. And then I think we're going to do a little work up here too. Up here, there. I don't know. Definitely something to protect the rad and maybe a chin splitter. I don't know. We'll see. All right, that's the update for now. Later. Just to finish up the video, I'm going to show you what an awesome company Polaris is. Indian Polaris. I had a trim ring on the back of my my Scout. I don't know when it fell off. It fell off sometime during the summer. Never noticed it. But anyway, so I called them up and I asked them, you know, the bike's still under warranty, can I get a trim ring? And they said, yeah, sure. So this is what they sent me. And again, this was all free of charge, shipping and everything. They sent me the whole damn taillight, everything, wiring. This is all I needed, was that trim ring. And they sent the whole thing. That's just awesome. I just thought I'd mention that at the end of the video. I just thought that was so cool. Delivered to the door, and in like 2 days after the phone call, 3 days maybe after the phone call, it was at my door. Awesome, Indian. Keep it up, man. That's great customer service. All right, for those of you who can, ride safe. For us in the snow belt, well, not so much snow, but still damn cold. Later, guys.